Guys, welcome to our unboxing video. Well, I I hear we got this chase present. The one guys out of back here. We can see in back here. Oh, there's it down. Guys, sorry. On back here, we have the donate family on it. So guys, let's go, guys. Guys, I really had it. Guys, and then my mom is genius reading the letter because me, I don't. And ain't this done? Ain't this done? We're done. Yeah, guys, you see this. Guys, I apologize. Guys, I apologize. Guys, I apologize, and I record the unboxing video. Alright, the left comments below. Go on. Oh, guys, where did you hear, guys? In the back, we have that. It is potato briefs on the front here, guys. That is a picture of the flower. Over here is the butterfly. On before is the bee. Last time I talked about, guys, is showing the. Oh guys, where is it? Yeah, I got this camera, right? I also got this camera. We had a lovely time with you. Guys, this one is Jay. Guys, this is Jay. Guys, do you know who Jay is? It's my teacher in my Gagawa classroom. And guys, do you know? No, it's Jay. Looks like they're going to be